Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an Amazing Beauty hair extension try-on review. So if you guys want to see my thoughts and how to install Halo hair extensions, then just keep watching. So, as I mentioned, these were sent to me by Amazing Beauty Hair. They have an Instagram and a website. You can go check them out. They also have traditional hair extensions too. And they come wrapped in this hair mesh. You also get a little bag to store them in, like a little travel bag. You also get these little clips which do not come on it, so you have the option of leaving them off or putting them on, which is nice. And then you also get one of these, which is a rat tail comb that also says Amazing Beauty on it. And then after that they just give you a little thing on how to put it in, but I'm going to show you guys, so we don't need that. So yeah, I'm just going to set the box to the side and explain to you guys why it looks like this, because I put it back in the net because I've actually already opened them because I needed to wash and dry them before I put them on. These do not match my hair perfectly. They came kind of yellow toned, which is normal because most hair extensions start off like brown or black and then the company bleaches them, and when you bleach hair it typically turns yellow or orange tones, and then you have to tone it from there. So I didn't have a toner, but I did have purple shampoo, so I just went ahead and washed them in some purple shampoo, and it helped a lot, but it didn't fully get them as ashy toned as my hair is. And you can see there are different kind of like tones in here. There are some little bit darker and a little bit lighter blonde, not like crazy dark, but there are pieces that were really light that actually stained purple, and I've not been able to get the purple out of that part. But it's fine because that top area is going to be covered by hair. I only washed them once, so if I was to go and actually buy a toner, maybe like a Willa toner, I don't know, like a T14 or T18, and put it on here, it might actually get it a little bit more ashy toned and get it where it might match my hair a little bit better, but you'll see when I put it in that it's not a perfect match. So that's what I have here to share with you guys, and I'm going to show you how I install mine. So like I said, I'm leaving the clips off of mine. I have this rat tail comb that I'm going to be using. I have my my broken clip, and I also have my other brush here that I love. This is my Hair Shark brush, and it also has a little rat tail point on it, so I'm probably going to be using this one, and I'm probably going to be using it a lot in a lot of videos because I just used it for the first time this morning and I'm freaking in love with it. So yeah. Let's just go ahead and get right into it, and let's put some Halo hair extensions in. So I've got my hair up, and I'm going to go ahead and take it down, and let's get these babies in here. Well, baby, really, there's just one piece, so. Okay. Like, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, my hair's it's pretty thick. It might not look like it, but it actually is. And that's why a lot of times just these one pieces don't really, I can't wear them for length because towards the end it's going to look really obvious that I'm wearing them because it's so thick up here and then so kind of thin at the bottom. So for me, the only reason I would wear it would be for just giving a little bit more volume. Just a few things about the hair extensions before we get started. This is the color Ash Blonde. It's 100% Remy human hair, and the length is 20 inches. And this is a 120 gram set. So, it's not a lot of hair. That's actually probably I think for most people it would work, but for me 120 grams wouldn't work if I was wanting to wear these for length. I would need more. So let's go ahead and section off my hair. I'm gonna like just take this and then let's see. I'm gonna look over in the mirror so I can kind of see what I'm doing. And we'll just kind of play with this as we go because there's going to be adjusting that you're going to need to make throughout when you're putting these in. I'm going to take this, I'm going to clip it up top. Okay, so I'm ready to put these in, and I'm just going to kind of brush this out right here. I'm using the shark tooth, that's why it's called the hair shark side of my brush, just to kind of brush this down. And it's really good at kind of laying all that frizz. Okay, so these are adjustable too. Right here, it actually comes really, really long. So I've already clipped mine and measured it to my head. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. There's this really, really tiny little piece where you pull the string and it tightens or loosens. More than likely you're going to have to tighten it because, like I said, it comes really, really long. Sometimes I'll tighten it or loosen it, depending. I'm just going to put it through. Right now I'm just kind of trying to get it on there, and then we're going to adjust it once we get it in. And I'm also going to have to style it to match because it's not going to match. Okay, let's pull all of this down. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up the little tiny rat tail, and I'm going to pull all of this through. And it's going to look crazy for a minute. Okay, until we kind of get it hidden. And I think we did a pretty good pretty good job of hiding that side. And then we're going to pull this side through. And I really like not having the clips in it, again, like I said, because I just don't like the feel of the clips in my head. So this is really nice if you're like me and you want to have a hair extension, but you don't want to have to wear the uncomfortable clips. Okay. Oh my god, we're looking crazy! Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but you can tell the difference in how thick my hair is up here and then how much thinner it is at the bottom. And it's actually not too bad. It actually matches a little bit better than I thought, but it's still not like perfect match. Okay, now we're gonna need to curl it so that it matches the style. And I'm just pulling some more hair out of the back so we get it really nice and hidden. Okay. But it's very secure in there. Like I don't feel like it's going anywhere. And I just like to keep doing this until it feels right. Until I feel like I've gotten it really hidden. Okay. Boom. But obviously, it doesn't match. So that's them right there. And we need to curl this so that it matches. And I think I might actually need to tighten it a little bit. So now I need to find that string, which is right here, and just kind of pull it. Ooh, there we go. And that's it. So simple. And now it's like really tight and snug on there. but I feel like I've got like a mane. Like I got so much hair. Alrighty, we've got the curling iron heating up. And this is going to take forever because I've got a lot of hair, and the extensions just add that much more. Okay, and what I'm going to try and do as I'm curling it is I'm going to try and every time that I can get a piece of the extension and curl it with my hair, because I think that just helps it blend better. Let me just push all this back. I think that it helps the natural hair blend better with the extension. So yeah, I'm gonna just speed this up because it's gonna take forever if I don't. And then we're gonna see how it looks at the end.
Underwater, you can't breathe here. You've been looking for somebody like me. I've been looking for somebody like you. Ooh. And oh, my heart is running out of time. I need you right here by my side, and I can be everything you want. 'Cause you can be, you can be, you can be, yeah. A submarine, 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 yeah. We're going deep, going deep, going deep, yeah. We're going deep, going deep, going deep, yeah. I can see you underwater, holding on to me, and I won't let go. Taking back the pieces of the love we know, and we will grow. 'Cause I can be, I can be, I can be, yeah. Your submarine, 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 yeah. We going deep, going deep, going deep, yeah. We going deep, going deep, going deep, yeah.
Done. That was it. Wow, I feel like I have the biggest hair ever right now. It is huge. If you guys can see, let me sit all the way up. So that's it. That's all of my crazy hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but on top of this turtleneck and these hair extensions in my hair, I feel like I'm suffocating a little bit. This would definitely not be an everyday look for me because I would probably burn up under all of this, the weight of this hair, because it is like the hair extensions on top of my hair just feels like super, super heavy. And that's probably why I look stiff, but they're not going anywhere. I mean, it is snug in there. Like, I mean, it's good. So if I wanted, I could probably just trim that much off and then just use it purely for volume, because it gives me just that extra amount of volume that I really do like. I feel like I could be like, I don't know, like, I feel like I've got like the most amazing, like, big southern hair right now. Like, that's what every southern girl wants, is huge hair. But it's just these ends look kind of, that's the only thing I think that kind of gives it away, is just the ends. So yeah, I think I would trim it and then just use it for like volume when I feel like being like really glamorous. But I like it, and I actually think that the color matches a little bit better this time than when I first tried it on. When I first tried it on, I was like, whoa, this does not match, and it's going to be super obvious. But I think that the purple shampoo definitely helps. So I would say if you're going to get it, and you're gonna get the blonde, and if your hair is ashy like mine, which I think right now that's what's really popular, is having that ashy blonde look, then you're gonna definitely need to tone it, or at least use a purple shampoo and kind of let it sit and kind of tone for a few minutes. I can't remember, I think I left mine on for about like 5 minutes. And I might do mine a second time. I don't know, we'll see. But another thing that I really like to do when I have hair extensions, it's always fun to do like braids. You could just do like one on each side. I mean, you could be super creative with this. But I think braids with extensions always look bomb because it looks like super thick jasmine braids. And then I would just braid it down. I only have one hairband with me, and obviously you would want to use like a clear band, but sad day I don't have any. So I think that would be so cute, especially for summer. I would like braid both sides and then like pull it out and do like a really fat braid, and then you can just pull some twigs. How cute is that? Like imagine on both sides. Let's redo it. I need to pull this back tighter is what I need to do. Uh-oh. What's going on over there? We're getting somewhere now. I left a piece out in the back. It's okay. I can see you underwater, holding on to me, and I won't let go. Taking back the pieces of this was totally impromptu. I mean, I wasn't planning on doing braids, but I couldn't resist. It looked like it would be too cute. So there you go. I mean, how adorable is that if you're feeling like, how cute would this look with like a bathing suit by the pool or at the beach? I don't know if you'd necessarily want to swim with these in, but that is cute. I like it. My bands don't match, but get yourself some clear bands, or you might could even like wrap some hair around it. I don't know. I don't have enough, but okay, and that's it. That is my review and demonstration how to wear halo hair extensions. They are really cute, and I'm pretty impressed with them. I'm pretty impressed that it matched even better than I thought it would. I think it matches pretty good. I mean, you can see a few pieces like right here, how much more kind of yellow toned, but it's not bad at all. It just kind of looks like I have some dimension. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful in how to install them and maybe how to do like a quick little braid. I mean, you could do any kind of braid really, because with the extensions it adds so much volume and makes your braids just look super fat and cute. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I actually think I do have a coupon code for you. Let me check and make sure. Yes, I do have a discount code for you, and it's for $10 off, which is awesome. So you can go check that out in the description. I'll link all their info, their Instagram, their website, and the code along with the product that I purchased. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!